attention. I could've tried harder, been smarter, deep water, I'd be drowned. I should've felt the tension. Overreacted and acted childish, impacted, it's all around. When you were pushing me away, I should've tried to give you space and get out of your way. How did I not see this coming? You leaving one day. Pretending no one is to blame. Too late to reignite our flame. How did I not see you running? How did I get left behind? How did I not see this coming? Yes,
I am a perfect 10. I am a perfect 10. Whoa, I am a perfect 10. I am a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face. I stood and wait because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated. It's overrated, these expectations.